Hi, I'm Jack from legalexpert.co.uk. We are personal injury claims specialists. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, and we offer a no-win, no-fee service. Today, I'm going to be taking a look at chipped, broken, or cracked tooth recovery. We'll go over some of the steps that we recommend you take, as well as looking at information provided by the NHS in regards to dealing with chipped, broken, or a cracked tooth. If you have any questions or requests, let us know in the comments. And if you like this video, please do hit that thumbs up button, as this will help us see what type of content people find helpful. If you've suffered a chipped, broken, or cracked tooth following an accident or incident that wasn't your fault but was down to the negligence of others, you should bear in mind that you may be entitled to compensation. Now, in order to bring a claim for compensation, we recommend that you speak to a personal injury claims specialist that has experience in dealing with chipped, broken, or cracked tooth compensation claims. You may qualify for free private treatment if the circumstances which has led to your chipped, broken, or cracked tooth was down to the negligence of others by bringing a claim for compensation. Now, you won't be expected to pay anything up front, and we'll ensure that all costs are covered if you decide to bring a claim with us. So call our free phone helpline on 0800 652 7676 in order to find out if you're eligible, or visit our around-the-clock live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. We're open 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, so you can speak to us whenever you'd like. Whilst chipping, breaking, or cracking a tooth isn't usually serious in terms of your overall health, accidents which cause these types of injuries can be painful and impact a person's ability to eat, their confidence, and in some cases, their work. The NHS recommends that you should see a dentist if you have chipped, cracked, or broken a tooth. If a piece of tooth is broken off, put it in milk or saliva by spitting into a container if it's your tooth, or having your child spit into a container if it's theirs, and take it to the dentist. Don't go to your GP. They won't be able to give you dental treatment. Now, if you're wondering how to see a dentist in an emergency or out of hours, you can call your dentist. If they're closed, the answer phone may say what to do. If you don't have a dentist or can't get an emergency appointment, you should either call 111. They can advise you on what to do, or look online to find a dentist near you. Ask for an emergency appointment. Once you have made an appointment to see a dentist, they will likely offer treatment which can include gluing the fragment of tooth back on, a filling or a crown, a cap that completely covers the broken tooth, root canal treatment for a badly broken tooth where the nerves are exposed. So, if you've been involved in an accident which has resulted in a chipped, broken, or cracked tooth, and you believe that you're entitled to compensation, but we'll be more than happy to hear from you. You should bear in mind that if you're successful in your claim for compensation, the cost of any private treatment should be covered, as well as any loss of income from time off work, which may be claimed back for when bringing a claim for compensation. Now, if we take your case on, we'll be more than happy to put you in touch with a medical specialist, like a cosmetic dentist, and aim to find you one in your area so that you're not having to go out of your way in order to further aid your recovery should you require any further treatment. Of course, the circumstances of each incident are never the same, and whether or not you believe you have a valid claim, it's always advisable that you speak to an expert on the matter. So if you'd like further assistance, we are personal injury claims specialists. We offer free, friendly advice on no-win, no-fee compensation claims, so there's not a penny to pay if you lose. Get the maximum compensation that you deserve. We're rated 4.8 out of 5 stars, and we have specialist solicitors with up to 30 years experience. It'll only take just a couple of minutes for our team, who'll be happy to answer any questions you may have to help establish whether or not you have a valid claim. Call now on 0800 652 7676 or visit our live chat service at legalexpert.co.uk. Don't forget to subscribe, as we'll be uploading helpful videos just like this one on a regular basis. You can also check out one of our recommended videos, or head over to legalexpert.co.uk, where you can read community questions on our forum, get free advice from our live chat, read articles, and seek assistance for compensation on a no-win, no-fee basis with your personal injury claim.